Hello friends. So in this video I would like to discuss about one of the important topic, that is structural drivers of change. This is your lecture number 23, CMA Inter Group 2 from Strategic Management section. And this topic is very important for your examination point of view. What do you mean by structural drivers of change? Uh, as you know that structural drivers of change is often sparked by information technology innovation, new economic development, global shift in the pools of capital and labor, modifications of resource availability, then supply and demand of resources, then the modifications of political landscape. Basically, structural drivers of change are forces likely to affect the structure of an industry sector or market. स्ट्रक्चरल डाइवर्स ऑफ चेंज अफेक्ट करता है इंडस्ट्री सेक्टर को और मार्केट सेक्टर को मोर इम्पोर्टेंटली. ओके, एंड as you know there are only four important factors. These are plays significant role in case of structural drivers of change. The first and most important, convergence of market, increasing convergence of market, the process of converging. Okay, in some market the customers needs and preferences are becoming more similar. As some market globalize, those operating in such market become global customers and may search for suppliers. Moreover, marketing policies need to be developed all over again, because as needs and preferences are due to becoming more similar. So in that case, some market globalize, those operating in such market then global customers and may search for suppliers. Okay, so marketing policies need to be developed in all aspect. Then cost advantage of global operations. This benefit might accrue to industries that operate in large volume, standardized production, and enjoy economics of scale. So, in order to realize location economics, business search globally for low cost operation and enjoying competitive edge. So, cost advantage of global operation is the main factors of structural drivers of change. Then the third one is activities and policies of the government. The government policies and activities have also resulted in influencing the globalization of industry. The moves towards free trade and technical standardization of many products between countries have resulted in increasing competition. The government policies and activity have also resulted in influencing the globalization of market. ग्लोबलाइजेशन मार्केट होने के वजह से गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज एंड एक्टिविटीज आर इफेक्ट कर रहा है. ओके, द मूव्स टुवर्ड्स फ्री ट्रेड एंड टेक्निकल स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन ऑफ मेनी प्रोडक्ट between countries have resulted in increasing competition. That's why activities and policies of the government plays significant role towards the development of industrial structure. So, and the last one, global competition. What do you mean by global competition? It is global competition that act as a driver to globalization. It may be mentioned that high level of import and export between countries increase interaction between competitors on a more global scale. The interdependence of companies across the world promote global trade. इंटरडिपेंडेंस के वजह से प्रमोट कर रहा है क्या? ग्लोबल ट्रेड. आज export and import facilities are available between the countries. It is easy to promote global trade. Okay, so global competition is the main factor of structural diverse of change, as it is global competition that act as a driver to globalization. It may be mentioned that high level of import and export between countries increase interaction between competitors on a more global scale. The interdependence of companies across the world promotes global trade. So in this way, there are four main factors of structural diverse of change. The first and most important, increasing convergence of market. Then cost advantage to global operations, then activities and policies of the government, then global competition. Only four. You just need to write only four important point. You can remember those four important point with shortcut key, like ICAG. ICA, इसमें तो ICA आपका इंस्टीट्यूट का नेम आ गया, ICA, ICAG. ओके, तो इधर से भी हमारा CAG आ रहा है, इस इधर से देखो ICA हो रहा है एंड इधर से देखो CAG हो रहा है. तो इन दैट केस यू कैन रिमेंबर विद दिस शॉर्टकट की ICAG. I means increasing convergence of market, convergence of market. C for cost advantage of global operation. A for activities and policies of the government. Then G for global competition. Okay, so only four important factor. You can remember through this shortcut key ICAG. You can remember easily with this shortcut key because there are four shortcut key ICAG. इसमें तो 3 आ गया आपका इंस्टीट्यूट का नाम, इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ कॉस्ट एंड अकाउंटेंट्स, एंड इधर से भी आप लोग देखो तो CAG हो रहा है, कंट्रोलर एंड ऑडिटर जनरल. सो यू कैन रिमेंबर इन दिस वे ICAG. I for increasing convergence of market, C for cost advantage of global operation, A for activities and policies of the government, G for global competition. Okay, only four factors. So this is it, all about structural diverse of change. You just need to remember all the important 4 points and write the meaning very well, so that it will create the good impression in exams. Okay, so thank you so much for your time and thank you so much for your support.